Fethu ngiphethe ubunolo ngiyakutshela JVW benze kahle kakhulu. Sisubuya phi kahle kahle ekhaya?
Ngibuya Sibitela ngibulawa amathembisa kuPechekas.
Utswa kwa kae?
Pechekas.
Oh okay, mara kwa hike kwa kae?
Sibitela.
Oh okay, kiko Limpopo.
Yeah.
Oh ne. And then sikubona ku Pirates Cup uyibhakabhaka nje kokuqala.
Hayi cha ngiSundowns.
Oh, uyisandawana wena. And then awurubutse into ya bolo sharp ithomile kae?
Oh hayi ithembile ko mama ka ke mo left end sharp Chanel.
Mama how ki left?
Yeah, left end.
Uri ngwena.
Ah like o tswa bolo mama.
O bula bona mama ha wa dlala?
Yeah. Just to razanka wale opportunity to buy.
Is it? From Go High Limpopo.
Yeah.
So whenever you play, Mama Wata Atlo won.
Every single game.
Are you kidding me?
Serious.
So Mama, wow latte.
Yeah. I train at night one lot of shoe. I got Jimalwa Shima one lot of shoe.
Ibile udlalela libashimane as well. Mfana ntwana kibona usori ntotse utlwa ke re mfana ke re tlwaetse bafana. So awumpuse aus. King tso di tshwereng o winile ing sharp mo Pirates Cup.
Ke a play top goal scorer.
Top goal scorer ye. How many goals?
8 goals.
8 goals. Okay.
Player of the tournament.
Player of the tournament. Yo. So when a sharp net to sharp.
I get sharp.
Skill is on.
Umpe polo, ubulele umpe opponent 1v1.
So sharp urata Sundowns, you wish to play for Sundowns someday?
Not really, because like I played for JVW for a long time, so
you wanna be loyal?
Yeah, like you know, who is a team now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So how long have you been with Jay?
9 years.
9 years. Can't you tell me na le bokae o dlala disc?
8 turning 9.
8 turning 9. And then the national team, I'm sure we have feel ukuthi ngelingila ngozibona lapha ya.
Yeah.
Ne? And then these are your So girls, you must be happy really win and labona hore player lenu limnandi nalo lithole something. It belongs to all of you, right?
Yeah.
On play phone. Yeah, abantu adlala nabo no congratulations sir. Bakushayela izandla.
Without time I'm nothing.
Manje nickname yakho ba?
Bibi.
Bibi.
Yo.
So, scale wise you are fund?
Yeah, phone.
Guphi?
No Camp Park High.
Oh, Senochem Park. How old are you?
I'm turning 17 years in 9 days.
Okay, last one. Ngifuna motivate lo mntana lapha ekase ethembisa ekhaya elicha eLimpopo eMkopane Northern Cape eUppington somebody kunentombazana efuna ukudlala ibhola but unahana uri it's not doable. Awumkhuthazi.
Guys, bereka nthata like all of us shebileng and that's the work mang ba shebileng so le bereka nthata every game play like it's a final.
Ay, Bibi, untswem. Bari shapa English. Nna ke ya hana.
Thank you very much.
Sisi, thank you so much. Sure.
Nice one. Bibi.